line to measure. The final feature to now look at is quite different from the AutoCode selection because we manually pick which line we want to measure to. In this case, instead of using the focus in the code boxes to define what line to measure, we'll actually tap on the line itself. We will press and hold on that line, and then use the menu that appears. On this menu, we have quite a few functions regarding this line. We can use Continue Line Work to allow us to measure more points to it. We can reverse the line so that any new points we measure to it would be used to build up the line in the other direction. In other words, they will be added to the line before its current start position. We can edit or delete lines. We can use a line from another app, such as Civil 3D or Inroads. Or we can have Leica Captivate deselect the line for us. We want to continue the line work, so we run the command. Then, let's make sure that the code box is on the list, and that is the highlighted code box. This means that when we measure, we know that it will be given the correct code and added to the line as we desire. We could next continue the survey and finish the road far into the distance. However, we're all comfortable doing that now, and instead, we'll stop and take a look at what we've accomplished so far. The easiest way to do this is to tap the button that hides the split screen, allowing our data to be shown on the full screen. Then we can go into our View configuration. Once there, we can turn off the point codes to have an exact visual representation of our site. Here we can see that our data set now fully represents the site we needed to survey, thanks to all of the previously covered features. This is a quick demonstration of how to use line work codes in a survey controller. This example shows the case as applied to the Leica Captivate survey controller. This process is pretty standard across the major survey gears on the market. You will notice minor procedural differences, but the concept is pretty universal as it relates to line work code sets.